To import a background image in FreeCAD, go to File and select Import. Here, browse the image and click Open. If needed, select the image, rescale it, and move it to the desired position. You can edit the image settings anytime by double-clicking the image in the model tree. In the dialog, choose the plane where you want to place the image. Then, use offset and X and Y distances to position the image. Adjust the rotation if needed, and use the transparency slider to make the image easier to trace. After the settings, click OK to close this dialog. To hide the image, click its visibility icon in the model tree. You can show it again anytime. Next, we'll create a sketch from this imported image.